Welcome everybody to TechExpress. In this tutorial, let's take a look into the simple yet powerful tutorial on customizing any WordPress theme without needing to code. So whether you are setting up a blog, a business website, or just a personal portfolio in 2023, WordPress offers incredible flexibility to personalize your site. So let's explore how you can customize your WordPress theme using a few clicks. So choosing the right WordPress theme. First of all, what you want to do is to select a theme that closely matches to your business. Logged into your WordPress dashboard, as you can see, we are into our dashboard. You want to navigate into Appearance in here, and then what you want to choose is the option that says Themes. Now here, you can browse the WordPress themes directory or upload a theme you have purchased elsewhere. So as you can see, we have lots of themes that we can choose. I can tell just to focus into a free versions. So let's say, for example, that I am interested into this one. So here, what you want to do, consider the facts like the layout features, responsiveness when choosing your theme. Since we are not going to be coding absolutely anything, what I want to do is to choose elements that are already into the theme, so I don't need to edit a lot. So let's say, for example, this one is the one that I'm looking for. Let's go for Activate. So here we go. Now I choose into live preview just in case you wanted to check out how it's going to be looking inside your actual website. Since we already have an actual website created, usually all the elements should be focused and edited as we're just getting started in. So if you like what you're seeing here, let's go into edit. If you don't, you can choose a new one. So accessing the WordPress customizer. Now, once you activate your chosen theme, it is now timed to get started to customize. So click into Appearance, hit into Customize, and here this one should be sending us into the WordPress customizer, your main tool for themed customization. Now the customizer provides a live preview of your site, allowing you to see changes in real time. So as you can see, we have fonts plugin, we have site identity, colors, header images, background, widgets, homepage setting, even we have WooCommerce additional settings. So all your tools are going to be added in here. So this is the part what you want to do, to adjust the layout and adding the widgets. Adjust your site layout under the layout and homepage settings. You can add a new page if you wanted to. Let's say home. I'm going to hit into add. I go back. I can change my header, adding a new header images, for example. You can even create your new menus in here. So the menu name, let's say, for example, this is the main menu. Don't forget about widgets. Add useful elements like calendars, search bars, custom HTML to your sidebars, bars and footers. I can insert my own media, really easy to use actually, so it's not big deal. So just drag and drop elements. The widget area is going to be really awesome since you just need to drag and drop elements inside the. So choose them. Let's go back. And once you have, for example, like the basic stuff now into your website, you can always go here and to double click so I can change the title, the text, the info, and finalizing your customization. After tweaking various elements, it is important to review your site. You want to ensure everything aligns well and is visually appealing. So once you're satisfied, you want to click into publish to save your changes. And remember, you can always come back to the customizer to make it more changes. Now this one that appears into that says Hola Mundo, one thought on Hola Mundo. All of these are homepage settings that I can edit, not in here directly, but go directly into your pages. So I'm going to hit into the X mark. I'm going to exit from the customizer. I'm going to go into my appearance. I'm going to exit from my appearance, of course. I'm going to go now into pages. And here into pages, this is the part where you want to edit the custom pages, for example, the front page of the home. Hit into edit, and here this is the actual element what you wanted to edit, the actual content of the body of a specific page. What we actually done here is to edit the elements that the layout and the appearance of all of that. Here is the content that you're going to be editing here. And well guys, that's how you customize your WordPress theme without coding. Really easy actually. Sometimes it might be a little bit catching because all of the elements are separate, but by not doing coding, it's a little bit much more faster to move on. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Express for more straightforward WordPress guides. Do you have any customizable tips or favorite themes? You can share them in the comments below, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your building your perfectly WordPress site. Stay tuned for the Express for more helpful tech tutorials, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.